Look at this avocado. Hey guys, I'm heading down the gully to look some pear. Come along with me. Comes at me. Comes. Can you know too? Bird them first me. Yeah, well, that more though. Leaf of life. Of course, you go can pick the pear then, brother. That long stick the way you have. Mm. Yeah, not even see you. Only drop. You still long enough? Oh, hook that. Wow. The pear them, you say pear sweet? Oh, nice. A butter pear. A pear tree I mean. So not finding any on each tree. Oh. Wow. That about down video about. You don't want to be on YouTube. It's the best spear picking in the world. Yeah, mercy. Look at man take long one. There. Your stick is long. Hey, wait. Make sure me feel at that moment that you're going to open that the bees box there. Two pairs so far. This is one, and the other one I don't even know where it is. So we have like, this is a pear tree right here. So, wait, the man drop back in our head. Wait, brother. Alright, go on now. What? So. Wait. Massa mosquito time. Look at this. Right in my skin. Oh my gosh. So we're going to that one already. I think you cannot reach the pears that are on that tree. So we are going over to this tree here. Right there. So this is called a yam grung. Yeah. I boy. I come in, oh, come in. Oh, so. Yellow yam, not true. Alright, wow, can't reach a lot on this one, man. If me out though, see yellow yam. Our, of course, not yellow. See yellow yam before. Round leaf yam. So they don't call it yellow yam too? Hello. The yam is yellow, boss. Must say mosquito a call with name. Come them pear, man. Where they? Oh. I'm finding one on that tree. Look at this avocado. Where? I think I found a ripe one. Yes, this is a ripe one because the color change. You know this one is green And then this one color change. Yes. What was the question? Of course it looked good to me. I know. It looked good to me. So you have to search really search under the tree if you find pear. Like think we are late. That one those are rotten. But there are like a pear under the tree, man. Oh, this one burst. Oh, man, look at that. That'll be a big, massive. Look at this, man. Man. Well, there's another one over there. Mm-mm. Brother, I try to catch spear, so. Why? Oh no. It burst. It burst. Jamaica is a safe place. Okay, a bed. Right now, the people in backyard. Mango tree. Jackfruit. Listen. Hello. See, I believe that. Feel like say heat enough to me. I can do this, man. You stick long enough. Yeah. You're almost there. Imagine me come for Pear and why? Oh my god! No, sir.
You don't want
You said a Pear.
you could get you one.
It's split up
Let me see Pear reach other.
because of the stone them.
But in a way, man, in a thick. Eh? It's thin.
See it?
I just break your one, break your fall.
Oh, it's thin.
But the one that take up the side is thick.
Thin, man. Question, why you guys eat Pear?
Nice. Yeah.
Good for you. What benefits? You get anything from it or you just don't know but you just eat it?